Good morning, children. Now, today we'll have a little general talk about, before I start the lesson, think about that, how we were, isn't it? When you were born, how you were? You were in your mother's body. Do you think that you were just like that only how you are now? No, you were very small, young, cute babies. You have come from your mother's body. And what about the other things, also, other living things also? They also very young. The life must go on the earth to continue this. Every living creature must make a new life like itself, isn't it? So all these animals, now coming to the animals world, we'll see, you might have seen many dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes. You have seen, these are the domestic animals which you are able to see around you. But when you see the wild animals also, there are many such animals like themselves only. Is it not? Because they make a new life like themselves. So they resembles to their parents. Now we humans also resembles to our parents. Some of you look like your mother, some of you look like your father. Like that, elephant also is look like its mother elephant. And the cat also, small young kittens also look like the cat, bigger cat, means mother cat. So like that, the life must continue. Suppose only one is there, then what will happen? Because nobody is living on this earth forever. After the lifespan, after the completing their lifespan, they will die. All living things, they grow old and die, isn't it? To continue the life on earth. So we must make a new life like it, like our own kind. So coming to the animals and the young ones, what do you think when you were born? You were very much small, isn't it? So your mother took care of you and she fed you with milk and the food item for baby foods and all. Here animals also, they will take care of their young ones, because young people, young children or young babies, small babies, they cannot do anything. So that is why. The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. Once again, when reproduction, because to continue the life on earth, so we must make a new life like itself, more of its own kind. You can see the lions also, the small young cubs. How do they look? They look like of their own mother. Giraffe, elephants, even the small rat also, when they give birth to the young ones, they will be very small and pinkish with the tail and all. Did you see any time? No. So if you find it time, you can see the small puppies also, you can see on the roadside. Many, they will be running after the mother dog, isn't it? You might have seen many times. And a calf also with the cows, calf with the elephants, and the young giraffe and hippopotamus and rhinoceros. What all the animals, they reproduce, and all these small young ones, no, they will be developing in their mother's body. Okay, and what do you think the birds, do they give directly to their young ones? No. They lay eggs. See, animals reproduce in two different ways. Animals They reproduce in two different ways. What are they? Some animals, they give directly birth to the babies, and some animals, they lay eggs. Now, some animals like birds, frogs, fish, snakes, they lay eggs. Even the lizards, crocodiles, turtles, tortoise, they lay eggs. See, penguins also they lay eggs. They comes under the birds. Birds, fish, snakes and frogs, they lay eggs. And cows, dogs, cats, rats and elephants give birth to young ones. These are the two different methods how they give birth to their babies. Now birds, they make nest on the trees and lay their eggs. After some time, the eggs hatch out and the small one comes out of the eggs. And these cows, dogs, rats and elephants, they develop, the baby develops in the mother's womb. For days, for weeks together, they will be inside the mother's body. After certain period, after some certain time, certain weekdays, they will be coming out from the mother's body. So this is how. Once again, I will explain you. This is the lesson number 3, animals and their young ones. Isn't it? Because I suggest you to see the Animal Planet. You can see many. Now in the textbook also, you can see these are the animals with their young ones. In the textbook, see elephant, the young elephant, the lion and the cub. You can see cat and the kitten, hen and the chicks, dogs and with the puppies. How they look cute, isn't it? Small babies. How they look cute. Elephant, lion and the cub young ones, and you can see this cat also with the kitten and the hen. Can you see the hen? The chick, small chicks here, and the dog with the puppies. How? We feel very happy when we see these small puppies on the roadside. If you find it, you can see them. How do they make? Because these animals, the young ones, they will be developing in the mother's body. And these animals, they lay eggs and their babies will be developing in the eggs only. Once again, I will repeat this. The process, because nobody is living on the earth forever. After certain time, after certain age, they will be dying. All living things, they grow old and die. So what is reproduction? The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. So we were born. How we were born? You can see, you can compare. When you were born, the small photos you can see. If you have the photos with you, you can see that small photos when you were young, when small, crawling babies. And now you compare how you have developed. So you will grow old like me, and still more you will be living on this earth. To continue the lifespan on the earth, all the living creatures must make a new life, more of its more like itself. Now will read this paragraph. Children, please listen to me. This is page number 204. Lesson number 3. Animals and their young ones. The earth is home to millions of living things. But do living things live forever? No, they don't live forever. They die after completing their lifespan. But life on earth must go on. So every living creature must make a new life like itself. The process by which a living being produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. Like all living things, animals also reproduce. Look at the picture below. You can see animals with their young ones. The young ones resemble their parents. Now you can see these pictures, how nicely, how cute the baby elephant is with the mother elephant. Now you can see the lioness and the cub, the young lion, cat and the kitten. You can see the hen and the chick, dog and the puppies. Now turn the page. How do these animals reproduce? How do these animals reproduce? Let us learn all about it. Animals reproduce in two different ways. Some animals like frogs, fish and snakes lay eggs. In all these animals, the baby develops inside the egg. You can see the eggs also here in the nest, and the chick has come out of an egg. You can see some animals like cows, dogs, cats, rabbits, rats and elephants give birth to young ones. In all these animals, the baby develops inside the mother's body. Now you can see the calf and the cow. Cow gives directly birth to the young ones. This baby develops inside the mother's body and gives directly birth to the calf. Animals that lay eggs. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. They make nests on trees to lay eggs. So this is how these animals, they reproduce more of itself like own. Isn't it? Now we'll study in the next video about the inside the egg, how the baby develops, what are the layers it develops, that we'll study in our